the past 50 years, there were so many plans now to address hazards before they become disasters. And paulit-ulit na talaga, since mid-70s, I was team leader for the World Bank funded Metro Plan Manila. And UNDP funded Manila Bay Region Strategic Plan. Nung Ondoy, I gave 60 recommendations President Gloria, and most of them came from the mid-70s recommendations. Hindi pa rin nagagawa. And explain ko, if I remember the figures right, kasi hindi drenage yung Laguna Lake and the Parañaque Spillway. Out of the 150 recommendations, dalawa lang yun. Kasi what happened in Ondoy, 4,600 cubic meters per second bumagsak from Kinalbong Kabundukan. Bumagsak 4,600 cubic meters. Capacity din ng Pasig River was 600 cubic meters per second. Saan napunta yung 4,000 cubic meters per second? Binaha 90,000 hectares of urban land. Marikina Valley, the lake shores of Laguna Lake, and low-lying areas of Metro Manila. You know what's the 90,000 hectares of urban land? Malaki pa sa Singapore. Singapore is only 73,000 hectares. And by the way, Singapore receives more rainfall than Metro Manila. Kaya lang, yung mga plano nila na implement to big infrastructure to address flooding and dredging the rivers, the lakes, and Laguna Lake. There was a contract to dredge Laguna Lake. Inapproved ni President Gloria. Kinansel ng succeeding administrations. Nagbigay ako ng 10-year program, September 2009, after Ondoy. And kung ayaw nila yung Parañaque Spillway, dahil open canal yan, pinopose ko Smart Tunnel, parang Kuala Lumpur. Yung Smart Tunnel drained over excess water from Laguna Lake going to Manila Bay. Yung first level can be a tollway, second level can be tollway, the lowest can be a spillway. Or during big floods, the whole tunnel can be a spillway. And in Kuala Lumpur, ginawa nila yan in 6 years. So 2009, dapat tapos na by 2015. Walang continuity eh.